Children, now going to learn movements kata sequence. First step, first turn into the left and back stands inside block. Okay, one more time. Ready? Turn into the left and back stands and inside block. Next, close your right leg and bend your knee slowly and kosa uke. Cross block. One, left hand down, right hand up. Next, second, right hand down, left hand up. One more time. Turn into left. One and cross block. 2 times. 1, 2. Next, right leg, right turn, back stands, inside block and cross block. 1, 2. Okay, one more time. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come my position.